Well, there it is, hurricane season. You can see it's not here yet, but it's only 2 months away. Right now, some of the biggest storm experts are in Austin trying to figure out how to keep people safe during these terrible storms. They're here for the National Hurricane Conference. Some of us, First Warning Weather Team, been down there checking things out today.
Actually, I think all four of us were out there at different points. But those hurricane experts, Jim, saying things are going to be a bit different than than about the last 3 years in total. It's because of that El Nino that we've been telling you about finally emerged last month. Now, historically, that means forecasters will predict a quieter Atlantic hurricane season ahead. That's not good news for our Highland Lake chain, which could certainly use the big downpours of a post-tropical storm. But Bill Reed, the former director of the National Hurricane Center, says the Gulf of Mexico could still have an active year.
We had enough hot water in the Gulf that, like Alicia, a cluster of thunderstorms on a weak summertime front coalesce and become tropical out over there. So there are ways that we can get tropical cyclones.
In the Austin metro area, tropical cyclone, of course another name for a hurricane, could bring major flash flooding and high winds. But Jim, post-tropical storm could be just what the hill country needs.
Right, a dying hurricane parking right over the hill country right now might be just what the doctor ordered for us. We're still in a terrible drought situation, not really right in Austin, but just out to the west, which unfortunately happens to be where the runoff from streams, creeks, and rivers feed our water supply, Lake Travis and Lake Buchanan. And there's the worst possible drought still going on out in that area. To give you some perspective, this has happened in the past. We've had major dying systems. For example, Tropical Storm Hermine back in 2010 left a lot of rain across the central Texas area. Torrential downpours forced drivers off the road in the hill country. In 24 hours, Camp Mabry received more than 7 inches of rain. It left homes flooded, caused a lot of car crashes around the area. In fact, one woman died in that storm after driving past a barricade on a flooded southwest Austin road. Funnel clouds were even spotted, forcing tornado warnings in Travis and Williamson County. It was a pretty wild scene there.